Hello guys, welcome to the market channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about introduction to algorithm trading. If you are getting started to start algorithm trading, or you are just thinking about it, or you think you want to dive into it, or you already started but you are getting stuck, or you are looking for ways to to pave through, I've been working on it for a long time, which I want to give you a sort of starting idea and then build on it over time. So if you are just new to our channel, the market trading, click on the subscribe button right now. Subscribe now. You don't want to miss our upcoming update on Algo trading, because this is AI era, many era of AI, artificial intelligence, and which you can be used to do a lot of things. If you want to code your own bot, your trading bot, your own trading bot, your own trading AI that trades for you, just sit down and make profit, then this channel is going to be talking more about it over time. So if you have not subscribed right now, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to put on the notification so that you get instant notification, so that, because when I see the reaction on this video, it's going to make me to make more video on this, because I've been working on some strategy right now, which I'll be showing you some code you can see on my screen, but like I said, I'll be diving deeper later on as time goes on. So just subscribe and put on notification. So like I said, today is basically more like introduction to algorithm trading. And if you are asking yourself what is algorithm trading, they can give it a lot of definitions. So a lot of definitions. But let's just take a little time, and then to see what Google says about algorithm trading. If you want to do something, you need to understand the basic concept, like the basic meaning, which will shaping your idea on how to approach it. And you can see now that algorithm trading, or algo trading, the short form is algo, or algorithm trading, is the use of pre-programmed computer program to execute trade automatically based on some set of rules. It's more like maybe you have a strategy, or you are a technical analysis trader. You are trading on your own personally, but you can actually program that your strategy and just sit down while you are sleeping, while you are playing, you're on vacation, chilling with family. Then the bots, or whatever you created, the set of rules will be trading on your behalf. So that was called bot, because human is not interfering into the trading at the time. So it's sort of algorithm, sort of set of rules or some factors already put in place in order to execute trade on your behalf. Then it's going to be trading on your behalf. So that is what we call algorithm trading. But when we now incorporate AI to it, maybe like you use a machine learning to train your strategy, or to train your or a model to understand how your strategy works and to learn better way to approach it, that is when you are now coming into AI. You are now say AI trading, but algorithm trading on a fair basis or on a neutral ground, it just means you setting a set of rules, and that you already feel that this particular strategy or method works in the market, and then you give it code, you code it up, and then you start making money while sitting back. And which I'm going to be showing you details on how to make sure you get all these things done by yourself. No stress, very, very easy. So now the question now is, where do I start? First of all, for you to, as you can see the meaning, you see, well, let me go back again, is the use of pre-programmed computer programs to execute trade automatically based on a set of rules. You get the point? Let's just put it there, a set of rules. Now the question now is, where are the set of rules coming from? The set of rules are coming from your strategy. Do you have a particular strategy that you think is profitable, that is making money from you? If you have, nice. If you don't have, don't worry, just still wait. If you don't have, I'm still showing you how to get one. So if you have a profitable strategy that is working for you, But maybe sometimes you miss trade, or you're not there, or you don't just want to be in the market, but you want the robot or the boat to be trading for you. Then you can code it up. We are still going to talk about coding it up. But if you don't have also, because we want to make sure that you have, if you don't have. So if you don't have strategy also, or you are a trader but you are still struggling with getting a profitable strategy, but you keep losing every time, but you don't have a profitable strategy yet, or you don't have what you can code up yet, we still got you covered. So for those that have a strategy already that want to code up, just wait. Let's quickly attend to those that don't have, so that we tell them where to find before we continue and start taking everybody along. So for those that don't have a strategy, we have a lot of indicators. If you go to TradingView, if you go to Super Chat, we have a lot of indicators. But personally, I won't really advise using indicators. Don't get me wrong. You get the point. You can use indicators, but if you feel that you know some indicators that work very well for you in some sort of market, maybe ranging or uptrending market, then go ahead and use it. And use it. That means you have a strategy already. So, but if you don't have any, maybe price action indicator, anything, then this is not for you. So then we go on to the next one, which is, if you don't have indicator, you don't know how to use anything, just go to Google Scholar. When you go to Google Scholar, you see Google Scholar, type Algo trading strategies. There are a lot of researchers that they have worked on trading strategy, like all these financial economists, financial analysts, or people that are into finance. They've worked on different trading strategies, and they've made some research, and they've written papers on it, and they've shared it publicly. As you can see the algorithmic trading experiment, strategies. You can see quantitative trading. You can see it here. Intelligent algorithmic trading using reinforcement learning and directional change. Like, you can see all this here. This was published in 2021. So what will you do? You can pick one example. Now maybe you're picking this one. You can pick one, open it up, and you can read through to understand the strategy or the idea behind it. If you find it confusing, download it, give it to ChatGPT, and tell it to summarize what they are saying. But like this one is basically, you can see it's evaluated on risk stock market. You understand? So they said we evaluated the DCR, that's the directional change and reinforcement learning trading on risk stock market data. So for 5 years period, and the result demonstrated that the state representation policy are substantial trading return, improve the Sharpe ratio in the volatility stock market, blah 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 blah. So this one is on they use just a data, they didn't live trade it. Now they are saying, so you can try your own, because most of all the issue is that most of all the research based trading strategies, they are very good on paper. What I mean is that when they backtest it, put it on data, they works very fine. It's possible that the model is overfitting, that it is learning too much of the data, and when it gets to a live practical aspect, it just fails. It couldn't perform well on live market. So most of the strategy on research, or maybe on Google Scholar, most of them work. I would say some of them work in live data. Majority of them are very, very good on paper. On paper means they're very, very good on just historical data, but they are bad at live data. But that is where you come in, because even if he's very good on historical data, is all you need to do is just tweak one or two things and make it work on a live data. Do you understand? So I'm going to be doing this video in two ways. First, I will be having my own strategy. I'll be coding up to show you guys how it's been done. And second, we are going to be taking from someone that don't have a strategy at all. We are going to be taking maybe one or two research paper that I wrote on strategy, and we're going to form, if they provide us the code, most of them will not provide the code, but if they provide us the code, fine. If they did not, we just understand the concept and build our own strategy from it, code it up, algorithm trading, and see how it also perform in the market. So we are going to end up with two strategy, the one, my personal one, and also the one from, I'll just pick one from a researcher. Do you understand? So then we see how it's going to end. So I'm going to be ending this video here. So before our next video, make sure you already have a strategy that you want to use starting from our next video. If you don't have, go to Google Scholar, find a researcher that have worked on trading strategy, just read through the abstract or try to understand a perspective and pick one that you think you will try out. So then wait for our next video. But before I can make next video, make sure you like this video. If you like it and I see people's reaction that they actually love what I make, it's going to motivate me to come and show you how to code it up just like I did mine, and to be able to analyze it and see the result of your strategy and test it and deploy it in a live market. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.